Have you ever wondered how to make your money work for you rather than the other way around? Ever considered real estate investment? Picture this: owning property, generating passive income, and building wealth over time. That's the power of real estate investment. It's a tangible asset that can provide consistent cash flow and appreciate in value. If you've ever thought about investing in real estate, this video is for you. We're going to break down the process into simple, easy-to-understand steps. So why should you consider real estate as an investment? This question is often asked by those who are new to the world of investing. The answer is simple. Real estate provides several key advantages that other investment options may not. Firstly, real estate investment offers a potential for steady, passive income through rental properties. This means you could be earning money while you sleep, vacation, or focus on other ventures. Secondly, real estate often appreciates over time. This means that the property you purchase today could be worth significantly more in the future. Finally, there are numerous tax benefits associated with real estate investment. These can range from deductions on mortgage interest to depreciation, and even certain travel expenses. In essence, real estate investment is a multifaceted opportunity that can provide financial stability and growth. It's a tangible asset that you can see, touch, and utilize. Real estate can provide a steady income, potential appreciation, and tax benefits. But how do you get started? The first step to successful real estate investment is understanding the market. It's like learning a new language. You need to understand its alphabet, its grammar, its nuances. The alphabet of real estate market consists of factors like location, property type, and market trends. Location, they say, is everything in real estate. And it's true to a large extent. The desirability of a location influences the demand and consequently the price of the property. Is the area developing rapidly, or is it declining? What are the schools like? What about amenities like shopping, recreation, and healthcare? These are all factors that will affect the property's value and its potential for appreciation. Next, let's talk about property type. Different types of properties cater to different segments of the market. You have residential properties, commercial properties, industrial properties, and so on. Each of these property types has its own set of factors that influence its value. For instance, the value of a residential property might be influenced by the quality of local schools, while the value of a commercial property might be influenced by the health of the local economy. And then, there are market trends. Just like the stock market, the real estate market goes through cycles. There are times when the market is hot, with prices rising rapidly. There are other times when the market is cold, with prices falling or remaining stagnant. Understanding these cycles and knowing where we are in the cycle can help you make informed decisions about when to buy and when to sell. Conducting this research might seem daunting, but there are plenty of resources available to help you. There are websites, books, seminars, and even podcasts dedicated to helping people understand the real estate market. The important thing is to be curious, be persistent, and never stop learning. Understanding the market is key to finding profitable investment opportunities. But once you've found a potential property, what's next? Once you've found a potential property, it's time to analyze it. This is where the rubber meets the road, where we delve into the numbers and facts to see if the investment is worth it. The first factor to consider is the price. This is where your real estate research skills come into play. You need to compare the asking price with similar properties in the area. Is it fair, overpriced, or a steal? Remember, every dollar saved on the purchase price is a dollar added to your potential profit. Next, let's talk about potential rental income. This is the revenue you expect to generate from letting the property. To estimate this, look at the rental rates for similar properties in the neighborhood. Be sure to consider elements like size, location, and amenities when making these comparisons. On the flip side, you also need to account for expenses. These include mortgage payments if you're financing the property, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. It's always smart to set aside a percentage of the rental income for unexpected repairs and vacancies. Now, with all these numbers at hand, you can calculate the return on investment, or ROI. This is a percentage that tells you how much profit you're making in relation to the cost of the investment. To calculate this, Subtract the annual expenses from the annual rental income, then divide that number by the total investment cost. Multiply the result by 100 to get the ROI percentage. This figure is your guiding light. It helps you compare this investment with others and decide where your money is best placed. A higher ROI means a more profitable investment. But remember, higher returns usually come with higher risks. Analyzing a property can help you determine if it's a good investment. But what if you don't have the funds to purchase it outright? Don't worry, there are still ways to get involved in the real estate market, and we'll explore these in the next scene. Don't have the funds to purchase a property outright? Don't worry, there are financing options available. So, you've found the perfect investment property. You understand the market, you've done your analysis, and you're ready to dive in. But wait, you don't have the necessary funds to buy the property outright. What do? Well, that's where financing your investment comes into play. One of the most common financing options is a mortgage. Mortgages are loans from banks or other financial institutions that allow you to buy real estate. You'll need to put down a certain percentage of the property's price as a down payment, usually around 20 to 25%. Then, you'll make monthly payments to pay off the loan over a set period, often 15 to 30 years. But what if a traditional mortgage isn't right for you? There are other options. Private loans, for instance, can be an excellent alternative. These are loans from private individuals or companies, not banks. They often have more flexible terms and can be secured more quickly. However, they can come with higher interest rates, so it's important to weigh the pros and cons. Another option is to join a real estate investment group. These groups pool their resources to invest in properties, spreading the financial burden and the risk. It's a great way to get started in real estate investment without needing a huge amount of capital. There are also other creative financing strategies, like seller financing, where the seller of the property agrees to finance the buyer, or lease options, where you lease a property with the option to buy it at the end of the lease term. The point is, there are plenty of ways to finance your investment, even if you don't have a lot of money to start with. The key is to do your research, understand your options, and choose the one that fits your financial situation and investment strategy. With the right financing, you can start your real estate investment journey. But remember, investing is not without risks. While real estate investment can be profitable, it's not without risks. There are ways, however, to mitigate these risks and turn the odds in your favor. Let's delve into a few of these strategies. The first step is diversification. Just as you wouldn't place all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't invest all your money in a single property or area. By investing in a variety of properties across different locations and types, you spread the risk and reduce the impact of any single property's performance on your overall portfolio. Next, there's insurance. This is a crucial tool in risk management. It provides a safety net should things go awry, such as damage to the property or being sued by a tenant. There are various types of insurance that can protect your investment, including landlord insurance, property insurance, and liability insurance. It's important to understand what each type covers and to ensure you have adequate protection. Finally, consider professional property management. Managing a property can be complex and time-consuming. A professional property manager can help you navigate these intricacies, ensuring legal compliance, managing tenant relations, and maintaining the property. This not only reduces the risk of costly mistakes, but also frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your investment. By understanding and mitigating risks, you can increase your chances of success in real estate investment. So there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with real estate investment. We've covered the essentials, from understanding why real estate is a worthwhile venture, gaining insights into the market, to analyzing potential properties. We've also explored how to finance your investment and the crucial aspect of mitigating risks. Each of these steps is a building block to a successful real estate investment journey. Of course, every journey is unique, and yours will be shaped by your individual circumstances, goals, and decisions. But with this foundation, you're well equipped to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that come your way. It's now time for you to take what you've learned and put it into action. Start small, be patient, and remember, Every successful investor started exactly where you are right now. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? And don't forget to subscribe for more investment tips and tricks.